Mark Curley's done it, Drawing with Jazz has done it, even Casey Golden has done it. So I think it's about time for me to try the Upside Down Face Challenge. So this challenge seems a little bit different than normal. It is kind of a challenge to like really challenge your designing abilities with like faces and characters. And I thought that was pretty cool because a lot of the art challenges are all about using various art supplies in different ways, and it doesn't really test your ability to come up with different faces and like solutions to problems like making a face that looks like a face upside down. And so I've been pretty excited to try this one. What I've noticed is that a lot of the time mouths will turn into like wrinkles on the foreheads, and noses, I'm not really sure how to approach that. I think mainly what I want to do is I want to keep the noses basically in the center of their face. I'm a fan of these kind of Animal Crossing-esque eyelashes. So I want to try to turn the mouth into the eyebrows for the other person. Does that make sense? It's sort of like a little smile. I think this will work for the eyebrows. This will probably be like a mustache for... I'm assuming it... Okay, yeah. So this one, it's turning out to be a girl this way, and then I think it'll be a man the other way. I saw Jazz's, he had like some kind of a hood thing going on and it turned into a scarf. And I kind of like that idea. Okay, I think I'm done with my first character. Oh, those forehead wrinkles. I don't know about that. I might try to... Yeah. It's just, it's so strange looking. I'm just gonna, yeah, start outlining now. Really can't make any changes now. Okay, so this is the final result of my first one, and oh boy, we're gonna flip it around to see what it looks like. I'm kind of scared. What should I, what do I even, this guy, he looks like he's wearing like some kind of bow on his head. It doesn't look like hair, so that was kind of a fail. But I mean, he looks pretty fashionable. I think he's pretty great. He looks like a baby or something. It's so strange. Oh man. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so one thing that it seems like everybody does is everybody makes a character with a beard. And so it's the other character's hair, and so I think that's a good idea, and I think I should try that. So, a beard, and I want to do some glasses too. Let's do some hipster glasses. I feel like hipsters wear circle glasses these days though. Maybe this nose will be the other character's eyebrows? Oh yeah, this is turning out alright. This guy's nose will be like the bridge of his nose. Yeah, I think this is turning out pretty alright. Maybe give him like one of those hipster scarf kind of things. He reminds me of the character in Professor Layton's friend. Alright, now the big reveal. See what he looks like upside down. Hmm. He looks like he has eyelashes. That's funny, I didn't intend for that. But I mean, his nose turned out surprisingly well. I think that turned out pretty nice. He looks like he's wearing a little hat. The wrinkles on his head, the forehead wrinkles are just so strange. I like everything except those wrinkles. Oh, how do you avoid those? I don't think you really can. I like him better than the last one though. Let's do one more to make it a nice 3, a triple. Third time's the charm, right? Like a flower crown or something? I want to just make a super, super beautiful person. It's going to go like some kind of... Oh, hey, whoa, this is looking kind of like my character Calliope. Yeah, that's funny. It's gonna have that hair poof thing that Calliope has. I think I want to do the eyebrows is the mustache thing again. Her eyebrows are going to be nice and all flake. Oh, she's gonna be a little bit anime. Really trying to figure out how it's gonna look. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's just ink it and find out. She could have a birthmark on the... Yeah, YOLO. She's gonna have a birthmark or a spot or something. Like he's gonna be going like, oh. So beautiful. Okay. Okay, I'm actually kind of excited about this one. I really hope it worked out. Let's flip it around. Do you see it? It's kind of this one's kind of difficult to see. I think he's actually my favorite one. Yeah. I think this combo is my favorite because they're just so beautiful. Anyway, well, thanks for watching me experiment with character design and trying to think upside down and problem solving and stuff like that. If you like this video, make sure you check out Mark Curley's original video, or Drawing with Jazza, or Casey Golden's video on this. They did it before me and they inspired me to do this, and it was very fun, and you guys should totally give it a try too. I think you would have a lot of fun with it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!